Do you ever feel like your days are blending together, leaving you unsure of what you've actually accomplished? It's easy to get caught up in the daily grind and feel like time is slipping away. You're busy, but when you reflect, it's hard to pinpoint the moments that mattered most. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. That's why tools like Elevate, a growth and reflection journal template, exist. It's not just another productivity tool. It's a system designed to help you reconnect with your time, track what matters, and reflect on your growth in a meaningful way. Let's walk through how it works. First, we have daily highlights. This is where you jot down one meaningful moment from your day. It could be a big accomplishment, like completing a project, or something small, like enjoying a peaceful walk. For example, one entry might be, had a long overdue conversation with a friend. It felt great to reconnect. These small moments build up over time, giving you a clearer picture of your life. Next is the mood tracker. Each day, you log your mood using simple emojis. Over time, this creates a visual calendar of your emotional trends. For example, if you notice a cluster of crying face or angry face days, it might be a sign to pause and reflect on what's affecting your emotions. On the other hand, seeing a series of smiling face days can remind you of what's working well in your life. At the end of the month, you reflect on your progress. Did you hit your targets? What went well? And what could you improve? This process keeps you focused on what truly matters and helps you learn from your experiences. Another unique feature is adventure planning. Every month, you plan one meaningful activity, a small adventure to break the monotony. This could be a day trip, trying a new hobby, or attending a local event. At the end of the month, you reflect on the experience. Did it bring joy or inspire you? These adventures add richness to your life while keeping things exciting. Every month, you also highlight two moments that were fulfilling and two that were surprising. For example, a fulfilling moment might be hosting a dinner party and feeling connected to loved ones. A surprising moment could be stumbling upon a beautiful hiking trail while exploring your neighborhood. This practice encourages you to notice and appreciate life's highs, whether planned or unexpected. At the end of the month, you also rate yourself across 5 categories: health, wealth, learning, relationships, and satisfaction. This scoring system isn't about perfection. It's a way to see where you're thriving and where you might need to focus more attention. For example, if your satisfaction score dips, it's a cue to evaluate what's missing. To tie it all together, there are 2 views that help you see the bigger picture: the monthly score average chart and the best month view. The monthly score average chart tracks your average scores across health, wealth, mindset, relationships, and satisfaction over time. It's perfect for spotting trends, like noticing how regular exercise improves your satisfaction or how work stress impacts your mindset. Next, the best month view highlights your top scoring month across all categories. It's a great way to reflect on what went right during that time and think about how to replicate those successes in the future. Together, these views help you assess your long-term progress while celebrating your best moments along the way. So there you have it, a simple, structured way to reflect, grow, and live more intentionally. The Elevate Notion template turns your daily routine into a meaningful journey of self-awareness and personal growth. With that being said, thanks for watching, and until next time.